Hi guys, bonjour, bonsoir tout le monde, comment nous y? How you guys doing? Si c'est la première fois visiter channel là, if that's your first time visiting the channel, my name is Sabrina. Welcome, bienvenue. In today's video, no video aujourd'hui, I'm gonna be showing you, pour montrer nous, comment mwen fè cheve m curly comme ça, comment mwen fè style là, comment mwen style. I'm gonna be showing you guys how I style my hair and everything, you know. And if you're interested how I get from this, si vous êtes intéressé pour connaître comment moi fais li, rete, gade video. If you're interested to see how I style this awesome look, stay tuned. And let's get to the video. Okay, my loves. Ça n'a besoin pour nous curler les cheveux. What you guys going to need to curl the hair? This is leave-in conditioner in this bottle. Ça c'est leave-in conditioner in bouteille là. Qui va spray dans tout cheveux. Leave-in conditioner va seulement li bon pour monde qui a cheveux court. Li bon pour tout le monde. The leave-in conditioner is not only for people with short hair, it's good for all type of hair, honey. If you got some nappy head like me, it's good. Trust me. Si cheveux red tant comme la bon, il fait cheveux au soir. Fait cheveux à soir. Et puis tout, on va le mettre. L'huile saladon ou avek, li bon. Il fait cheveux agrandi. And then, on va le mettre saladon as well. So I'm adding both of those oil in my hair. It's good. As you can see, the bottle says for growth though, hopefully. And then it also been helping me. This been helping me a lot. I don't know if you can see in front of my hair, right here, it's fading away. Well, it's coming back now. It was way worse, you know. That's like one of the reasons also I cut my hair. Devant cheveux m'de presque allé. M'de manque bagen cheveux devant cheveux encore. Manque chauve. So l'huile ça aide moi pile. So second thing, third thing. Yeah, the third thing you're gonna need. Troisième bagage ou besoin pour style cheveux, to style the hair. I'm gonna be using the Eco Styling Gel. I be utilising Eco Styling Gel. I'm gonna take some gel. Ma prends un peu gel. Ma mette dans mes mains. Et puis tout, ma fait comme ça. Take some gel, put it in my hand, rubbing it. I'm going to like put it all over the hair. All over the hair. So this is like a quick way to style the hair. So that's an easy way, you know, pour faire cheveux à curly. Easy way. Nous pas besoin de mettre gel parce que gel là qu'a fait le curly et qu'a fait le rete. Ça dépend combien de jours vous le faites le rete dans cheveux. Don't be afraid to put gel, guys, because the gel is what gonna hold the hair. If you have short hair, you could write in the comment down below. Tell me, you know, how you style your hair, you know, stuff like that. Si vous avez cheveux courts, vous pouvez écrire en commentaire. Ok, commentaire, bien comment. You know yo, en bas vidéo pour dire comment ou style. Me dit style. Mes amis, y a l'aime boire l'école, oui. Boire pour un coup, pour me tourner par l'école encore. Because Mwen Creole mwen. I don't know what's going on with it, guys. I'm gonna be using this brush. Ma biti little brush sa. Pou fin define curls yo ki komanse rive nan cheve ya. So ma montre sa mwen fe. So right now I'm just trying to detangle it. Ma demele ensemble avec brush la. Okay. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm going to cut it apart. Cut it apart. So I already did the back, and you need a second mirror. It's important. Get an fait derrière, et nous besoin deuxième miroir pour ka gade. So I already did the side. Get an fait bossa. No way. And then now, 1 second. Let me adjust the camera. I'm just gonna show you guys how I do it, how I finish it. So now what I'm gonna do, kunya sambal fe. Map tracer li. Tracer. Tracer li. I'm gonna add a little bit more gel. Mettre un peu gel. A bit more gel. Until you feel like you have enough gel. Mettez assez. Vous sentir gain assez gel depuis tout. Kounya la même. Brosse là, ça m'a fait avec brosse là. M'a utilisé brosse là. I'm using this brush. And I'm going like this with it. You know what? You see? Ouch. Guys, I'm tender-headed. Baby. Baby, apil. So, just pon ta devant. Et puis tout. Comme swap démêlé. It's like you're combing it out. But you're doing it upward, pas devant. Pour cap and curly. Ay, 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 mira! Like I said, baby, I'm really too. I'm so tender-headed, it's not even funny. Ouch. Snore. See? Bam. So I'm gonna repeat it again on the last one. Remember to add more gel as you're doing it. As you go, you add more gel. Pendant ma fait là, mettez l'autre tracer, mettez un peu de gel encore. Au bon boss là. See? upward. En l'air. Ou prend cheve. Plutôt. Ou bagay. Oops. Oops. See? Ugh. And repeat it again throughout the whole hair. Okay. Come on. Come on. What's going on? There you go. En mi-temps, pèse le plus en bas. Bal même bagay nan sa. Pour trace la ka paret pi bien. I'm just gonna get my hand and just kind of do like this. Mwen pou même faire comme ça. Pour trace va paret encore. The chair's doing that. No way. And on fait même barre là pour derrière. See. If you have this, you can use it. But if you don't have this for your edges, you could also use a toothbrush that you don't need. Alright guys, I'm done with the hair. I'm done styling the hair. I'm fini. Je vais faire style là nos cheveux. Je vais faire un baby hair mwen, bien ti belle. Kounya la nem, I'm gonna do a little bit of makeup so I can come and show you guys the final look. Je vais faire un petit peu de maquillage et puis tout, je vais retourner pour montrer nous comment le look semblait overall. Alright, my lovers, I am back, and as you can tell, my energy is this high because I am feeling myself up in here. Like, this is the final look. Fini, je retourner. Comme le cas, je suis content. Je suis vraiment content maintenant. Parce que I slay my face. Like, hold on. Like, that's the final look. Ça c'est dernier look là, Timon. Like, I'm happy right now. Like, I'm like feeling myself. My hair is curly. It's not dry yet. Cheve a beaucoup séché. Okay, but it's looking nice so far, and I'm like so proud right now. I'm so proud. I'm gonna put my favorite song on, and I'm going to sing. I'm going to dance me a little compa because I did that. Yes. But dansez me a little compa parce que je le fais ça. Okay. You know my favorite song is Solo. If you don't know, that's my favorite song. It's Solo by Oslo Mahone. But he's so fun, guys. Oslo. I want him to come play where I'm at, but my nigga tripping. But anyway, we're gonna do a little compa cause I'm feeling this look. And if you're feeling this look as well, the final look, let me know. Let me know in the comment if you're feeling the look, sis, because I'm feeling it. But anyway, I'm going to dance a little because I'm feeling it. Okay. cela. Je dans ce coin, celle qui me fait rien pour moi, c'est la plus belle là. Elle voit qu'elle me plaît, c'est là qu'elle commence à faire son cinéma. J'ai passé mon temps à faire comme si je ne la voyais pas. I don't even know how to dance, but I just sweat. I don't really care. M'ba kon danse. Right now, je ne care pas. M'ba care because I'm feeling this look and I'm feeling myself. Okay? Let me know in the comment down below. Let me know if you're feeling this look. I'm gonna be like a little bit up close so I can see. If you're feeling this look like I'm feeling it, holla at your sis, okay? Holla at me. Let me know in the comment if you're feeling this look. Like I slayed today. I have never been so proud of me today because usually when I try to do my eyeshadow, it been looking like crap. But today I figured a way around it. Yes, I did, and I'm proud. I'm a little bit, I'm yelling right now. Okay? I'm content parce que ça fait, I'm so hype kounya parce que I'm content. I'm content. But anyway, guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you guys like it. Cause I put all my art into it. I put my energy. If you like it, let me know. And before I finish show, don't forget to like this video, to subscribe. Like, hit the subscription, sister, so you can see more of this beautiful, gorgeous look I'm creating. Okay? And don't forget to comment and share with your friend, honey. Share with your sister, your mama, your cousin. Share with anyone, okay? I can't look this beautiful and you're not sharing with your sister. That's like selfish. Don't you think? But anyway, thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching. And I will see you guys on the next video. Okay? Okay, kounya la men ba di parti Creole la. So guys, mwen fini. Merci beaucoup parce que t'es gardé. I know I'm yelling right now. Ma fait bruit parce que je suis content. Merci un peu parce que t'es gardé. Avant m'aller, si vous aimez look là, fais-moi connaître dans le comment, sis. Fais-moi connaître. For some right now, fais-moi connaître. Pas oublier pour like vidéo ça, pour comment. And pour subscribe na channel là pour kawe tout gorgeous look yo. Okay? Sis, so pas subscribe to channel là ba kon sa wa wetan. Ma kon sa wetan. You missing out, honey. You are missing out. You missing out. Anyway, pas oublier pour nous share avec sel, maman, parents, n'importe moun ou gagne, just share. Parce que je suis vraiment belle. For beauty, you know, this beauty like right here. I can't keep it to myself, sis. Mais I can't be with femme. Faut nous partager ensemble avec. But anyway, thank you so much. Ma pour nous guys, ma pour nous. Hold on. Ma pour nous dans l'autre vidéo cap vini. Et toujours dis nous ça, si t'as une vidéo ou bien son bagage nous t'a même fait sur channel là, pas oublier. Comment faire me connaître? I'm nice, guys. Comment sur son bagage nous t'a même fait dans channel là, just comment. Parlons ensemble avec moi, communiquer ensemble avec moi, you know. And I got y'all. Alright? And on that note, bye.